Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I thought it would be fun to see if we can go into this bargain flea market to see if we could find some restoration hardware dupes. Will we find anything? I don't know, but we're gonna go look, so keep watching.
take this feeling. I see you. I see you.
Alright friends, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's thrifting for restoration hardware dupes. Remember, always keep an open mind while you are out thrifting and shopping at the Goodwill or your local thrift store. You never know what you're going to find, and you could just find some restoration hardware dupes like I've shown you today. With a little elbow grease, you can turn them into the restoration hardware piece of your dreams for a lot less money. So, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget while making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. Well, that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.